Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some southern style green beans. Let's get to it. So first you want to add your water to your skillet on high heat. We're about to make our broth. I prefer to use bouillon cubes rather than use store-bought chicken broth. It tastes better, it's more flavorful. That's just me. And I also add some Knorr's chicken seasoning to it as well. We want to bring this to a boil and allow the broth to boil for about 3 minutes. Once it's finished boiling, we want to reduce the heat to about medium-high. And then we're going to add in our frozen green beans. Yes, fresh is always better, but we're going to make it work with these frozen green beans today because it's still going to be good. And I cook for the everyday household. And sometimes we don't have time to go to the grocery store to get fresh produce. So for the working moms, the wives, the college student, anybody, if you just want to get you a bag, always have some vegetables on hand. But if you're going to have some vegetables on hand, make sure it's some frozen and not the can. Add some butter, add some vinegar, and I will have all the measurements below. We're going to add some sugar. And now we're going to add in our seasonings. And again, I'll have all of them listed below in the description box. So why use frozen over can? Because again, the can contains a ton of sodium. We want to be able to control our salt. We want to be able to control what we're actually putting in our body. And when we make it ourselves with our own seasonings, it be tasting so much better. And you get most of the nutrients from the vegetables. So we're going to continue to toss, give that a nice stir. And we're going to let our green beans cook for about 15 minutes. And that's it, folks. Short, simple, and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, be blessed.